So you're looking at the 69. We got another Datsun 510 over here. 92 horsepower. 2-door, stick shift. This is my 69 Datsun. A lot of people talk shit that my car's not fast and it's just looks and shit. Motherfucker, my shit is fucking sick, nigga. You already know. You already know what time it is. Trust me, this shit's got 800 horsepower. I'll smoke a Hellcat. I already smoked a Hellcat 2 years ago. 10,000, brought it out, smoked the Hellcat, brought it back. Yep. This is it.